the topic named pictograph. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, please speak. Good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Good
Thank
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Ridhan, please sit at the one place. I'm going to start the class. We are going to do pictograph.
मैम मैं ध्यान दलाल की मम्मा बात कर रही हूँ मैम ध्यान के पास मैथ्स की बुक्स नहीं है इधर
It
नोटबुक
is in this school. So he
तो
can
आप
do in the graph notebook, no problem.
ओके नहीं तो गुनव के साथ आप भेज दोगे तो मैं उसके घर से
I
ले
will give it to him. Yeah. Today I will give it to him. For how many days he will be absent?
मैम 5 days क्योंकि उसको वायरल हुआ है
Okay. I'll send today. No problem. Today he can do in the graph notebook, no worries. So students, we are going to start a pictograph, which I have already given you the introduction in my last class. What is pictograph? Pictograph is in the form of Nishika. Pictures. Gyan Dalal, pictograph is in the form of the
Pictures.
when we need to show the data and the information in the form of the pictures, we make the pictograph. So pictograph is also having a key. One picture is representing how many persons, how many bananas, how many apples. So there is always a key mentioned. You need to read the key. Yes. Yeah, because you don't know. Because in the pictures, if you have to show 40 persons, yes, yeah, still I can see the whispering there. If there are 40 persons, right? 40 people are eating vanilla ice cream. So if you want to show 40 people to eating vanilla ice cream, you will draw 1 means 40 people, 40 smileys or what. So what you do in this case, you take a key. One key represent 5 people or one key represent 10 people. It will shorten your work and presentation also will be good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
so we
Jandala.
will write 44. So, ma'am, if there is 40 people, so we will write, draw 10 smileys. We will draw one smiley.
If it is one smiley equal to 10 people, so we will draw only four smileys. So it will reduce our work and the work will also presentable or not? Yes. So I am going to show you one video based on the pictograph. Very important to read the key.
Hello friends, we have already learned about data representation. Today, let us learn to prepare a
Ma'am, the voice is
pictograph
echoing.
and bar graphs. Collecting, sorting information and representing data in visual form is called pictorial representation. The data is represented in pictorial form using pictographs, that is, pictograms, horizontal bar graphs, and vertical bar graphs. Let us solve an example to learn to present data using different methods.
See here, the information is given to you in the form of a telemarks. And this telemarks information, you want to convert it into the pictograph. Will you able to convert it into the pictograph?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
how they are making.
Yes, ma'am.
There are many types of trees in this huge orchard. They are represented using tally marks. On adding the tally marks information, we get the total number of trees as shown in the table below. With the help of this data, we can represent the above information with 1. A pictograph, 2. A vertical bar graph, and 3. A horizontal bar graph. Let's begin with the pictograph. We know that a pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. Now, let us represent the data. Step 1. Write the title. Here, the title Trees in Orchard tells us the pictograph is about the trees in an orchard. Step 2. Write the labels. The labels give us the information about the different trees in the orchard. Step 3. Write the scale or key. It tells us what each tree picture is equal to. As here, all the number of trees are in multiples of 5, we take the scale as 5. Lastly,
Students, now here, if one tree is equals to 5 trees, so for the coconut column, how many trees we are going to draw? 7. How 7, Ayush? It is 30 only in the coconut. And how many? Yes. Don't need to write the Andalal. Just see.
And
How many
6.
trees? 6. For the orange, how many trees?
7.
Migdad, pay attention in the class, Migdad. For banana?
And
For
5.
banana, how many?
5.
Let me
5.
take the attendance for a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
And who is absent today in the class? Who? And Dhyan. And how many in the mango?
4.
How 5?
4.
5
4.
in banana. And in
Ma'am,
mango, 4. And for apple, how many trees?
3.
3. So this way you know how to read the key and how to draw the pictures in the pictograph. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Step
Let me.
4. Draw the
Yes.
pictures as they tell us the given number of trees. For orange tree, for apple trees.
I'm showing you directly the pictures and then we go ahead. This way we represent the pictograph. Now same information if you want to show on the bar graph, this is the bar graph.
Numerical data.
This is vertical
Step
bar
4.
graph because it's a
Mark the
lengthwise.
labels on
And
the horizontal axis.
Now this
The
is the
label-
normal which we have learned the vertical.
Labels
Horizontal
represent
also
the
I'll show
object.
you.
Horizontal क्यों है?
Mark the numerical.
In this way, the numbers will be on the opposite side and the names will be on the different side.
हॉरिजॉन्टल
And see,
नीचे
the-
नंबर
Square,
Mute yourself,
rectangle
someone is
जो
speaking.
आड़ी लाइन है हॉरिजॉन्टल
Dhyan Dalal, mute your mic, bacha.
Sorry.
See, Dhyan, this is also the another way of drawing the bar graph which we have already done. है ना? So it can be horizontal bar graph in this way also and the vertical which we have already learned. Only just see the bars are going in the sleeping right now and in the vertical the bars are going standing. Am I clear? The rest everything is same. So we can draw the bar graph into two different ways, vertical as well as horizontal. So here the basic thing is, main thing is I want to explain about the pictograph, which is clear to you all. Any confusion in pictograph?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I want to show you something. I am going to present my screen and I will ask the questions based on the pictograph from you all on the screen. Are you all able to see this? No. Just discuss with me. No.
Ma'am, we don't need to write, no?
No need to write. Stephen, Gloria, Andrew, Jessica received Christmas gifts from the Santa Claus. Use the pictograph to answer the following questions. Now, by looking at this, until the key is not given, will you able to answer this? Now, once you see the key also, that one gift is equals to 2. So if I ask about this, Stephen received how many gifts?
6.
Gloria,
Ma'am, Steven gets 6.
Ma'am, Gloria, 12.
Gloria, how many? Dhyan Dalal?
Ma'am, not Gloria. I was telling about Steve.
Steve, how many?
6.
6. So don't,
May I tell Gloria?
if you only say 3, your answer will be wrong. Yeah, about Gloria, please give me.
Man, that's
Ma'am, Gloria,
12.
12.
12, man.
Yes, Lakshya, about Andrew.
4.
You 4.
And Yash Desai, Jessica,
8.
8. Now give the answers. Who got the most number of gifts?
Gloria.
Gloria.
Who got the more gifts, Jessica or Steven?
Jessica.
Jessica.
Jessica or Steven?
Jessica.
Jessica. How many gifts does Gloria and Jessica get all together?
20.
Yes.
20.
Yes, 20.
Jessica and Gloria. If you give Jessica and Gloria 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, will be wrong answer. You have to multiply 10 with the 2, then give the answer 20 all together gifts. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who got 6 gifts?
Steven.
Ma'am, Steven.
Yes, Steven.
Steven. Steven got these 6 gifts. How many more gifts did Steven get than Andrew? First, we should know about 2. Everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, Steven 15.
Who?
Stephen.
15.
No, ma'am, 6.
Yeah. Now I will teach you how to draw the pictograph also. See, now these are the names given and they have a fish tank, number of fishes. So one key is already given 4. So how many fishes I'm going to draw for the first name? Elimar. Tell me, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, 4.
Because one fish is equals to 4 fishes. And
Ma'am,
if it is
4 the 16.
very good. Now, Kathy. 5. Xavier. You understood? Chan Chillai, Vedi, everyone, Daksh Patel. Julie. How? 4. 6. How many? Online students, please give the answer. Dhyan Dalal, how many?
Ma'am, for which one?
It is 20. Last.
Oh. So, ma'am,
6.
6.
So let's see the answer also. 4, 5, then 3, and then 6. Clear, everyone? Now
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
again go to the answers which are given down, questions. Then we discuss that. Who has most chefs? Julie. It's not-
Julie.
Who has 16 fishes?
Elimir.
Elimar. How many fewer fishes did Xavier have than Kathy? It's about the fishes. How many fishes? Let's check whether are we giving the right answers. 8. How many fishes did Eliman and Julie have all together?
40.
40. Any doubt in answering the pictographs? No.
No, ma'am.
So now I am going to stop the presentation. I am going to give you the question to draw a pictograph on the following information. Now what I will present here, you need to write.
Ma'am, in the graph.
In the notebook.
Ma'am, I don't have my notebook, so can I do it?
You do in
my
the
graph?
yeah, you do in the graph notebook.
So, ma'am, where do I do, like in the graph paper or in the rough, like the notebook paper where it is given?
What happened?
Ma'am, if I do in the graph book, then there is a book where there is a page where we need to draw the.
You do in the lining paper.
Okay, the line.
It is one sum only. Just a minute, I'll show you. No, but wait. Okay. I'm going to present my screen. I'll tell you the question number. That question number you have to do. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To the question number 8. Out of 100 students of a class, the following number passed in the different subjects. Draw the pictograph of the data. Number of students passed in Hindi 80, English 70, Math 90, and SST 60. Take a key of 10. You can draw any picture, smiley, stars. Take a key of 10. Question also you need to write.
Ma'am, do we have to write the table also?
This question you need to do. Wait. This one. No.
Ma'am, do we have to write table also?
Yes, you need to write the table also. Just a minute. Is this now visible to you all? Yeah, I will zoom this. Whatever the question, complete question you need to write. Out. Is the screen visible to you all students? The another screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Out of 100 students of a class, the following.
Ma'am, so can we make this like this table big? Yes, like this.
Yes. And the key is, I'm going to write the key also.
10, 10.
Yeah, Hindi is 80. Key, one smiley you can take or star you can take, because I don't have pictures here.
Ma'am, can we take a car?
Anything you can take. It's the number of the students, no? Better you take a smiley. You cannot take the car. Take this smiley. If you want, I can also take this smiley picture for you all and paste here. Wait. It's now the screen is question is visible.
Yeah.
I'm only writing the word smiley.
Ma'am, smiley is not visible.
I'm not drawing smiley. I'm writing the smiley word. P is smiley equals to, means one smiley equals to 10 students.
Ma'am, can I take a star instead of smiley?
You can take. And I want that each child will do a neat work. On Friday, I'm going to take the CET of this chapter. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll do the textbook exercises. On Friday, there will be the CET of this chapter. Be ready. Remove and just show me. Next week, anytime. Whether it can be Monday, Tuesday, anytime. Is the assessment. We'll let you first do this. Hindi 80, English 70, Math 90, SST 60. Draw the table neatly. Draw the third column also for the smileys and show it to me fast. See, the whole period will go in the okay only. Instead of 80, it is 85. Then you will draw a half smiley. Half picture represent for 5. If the one is representing for 2 numbers, then half picture will be of 1. Table is done by everyone. Everyone noted the table? 60. SST. Online students, table is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are done, they can pack their bags.
Ma'am, I am done. Oh. Ma'am, so can I take her?
मैंने पूछा
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the homework.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this the homework?
Yeah, this you can complete.